Okay. Yo, what? Okay, I think. Wait, next, can you talk?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, it works.
Yeah,
Oh, me and Nex are
41%.
not great fall off. And Next, do you still trade EU?
Uh, nah.
And how do you determine your bias for the day or week?
For example, for the weekly, it's basically the daily profiles, right? So you want to see manipulation Tuesday high or low of the week, and then a reversal on the lower time frame. Also from lower time frame, I mean like higher time frame. So a 1 hour or 4 hour, you want to see clear reversal signs. Maybe mid with SMT, so the low is clear, and the most high or lows of the week gonna print with SMT. So oh, plenty NC John.
Can you please
Okay,
repeat it, Nex?
you want to see the manipulation, right?
No, he
So
means
for
that
the
like
week,
most weekly
come
highs
on.
or weekly lows will have SMT on them.
Oh, they
That's
print
what he
on
means.
SMTs. Like most of them. Uh, like for example here, like manipulate up to go lower, like this.
Holy spam, bro. Bro.
Bro, plenty is so good.
Um,
Yeah, ask why.
power of 3 and P race.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yes.
Plenty levels.
For entries, we use like all your normal PD race basically. Um, and of course
Yeah, like
SMT.
turtle soup and stuff.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, I don't know, but we'll of course we're not giving like our whole
Sauce, the whole enigma.
yeah, we're not giving the whole enigma, bro. Plenty, get a job, bro. Get a job.
Bro, plenty you have enigma if you fucking watch the videos. I just struggle with entries and stop placement.
Well, I
Like,
mean, your stop placement would
you can
most
use the
likely
free
always be at the
model,
low
right?
or high, depending on, let's say, if your thing is like, if let's say your stop would be too big, if you it's like 60 points or something, then you can look at, for example, for value gaps, you can just place it at like the first or third candle. No, wait, the first candle, and then like at the high or like at the candle high, maybe not the wick. What was your entry at Tuesday? Uh, Let me check. Tuesday.
Yeah, you can screenshot now.
Okay, should I screenshot? Hold on, but
Value gap and
then I
entry
cannot
early
get
and
the
price
chat.
rips.
But I guess wait, maybe I can.
Oh, so you get induced, right? So basically all like you enter too fast and then you get induced. Like, you can use
Hold on,
SMT on the lows and or like getting a restrap, right? You want to see turtle soup on your PDR array.
bro. And I cannot like.
Like something
Okay,
like this.
so my entry on Tuesday. When was this? Here. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Or you can wait for something like
Let me
this.
just remove this. For till yeah. Um, it was here, and then I entered. When did I enter? I think. Oh, let me check the fucking trades. 25th. Wait, bro, I'm actually shit. So where was this, Enox?
Or what? Yeah, you are there. I literally bottom tick there.
Was this? Yeah, but where did I
Yeah.
enter?
No. Oh yeah, on the
23rd.
retrace I think.
N- I don't know. I'm looking at my
Can you add?
picture from the day. Does not look like it at all.
Um,
Where the fuck
about
are we
stop
right now?
placement, right? I do that. I do often my stops on the
Huh?
body, not on the wig.
I think I'm absolutely schizo. Oh wait,
Uh,
I found it. Enter it like no what? Enox, something's wrong.
I mean,
Something
oh,
is
you entered London,
completely
I
wrong,
think.
bro. Yeah, I don't know. No, I didn't. From Shitso.
Uh,
What?
yeah.
20. Huh?
So I have a smaller stop.
71.
Oh, plenty get a job.
Oh yeah. No. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea where I entered, bro. I have absolutely no idea where my trade even is anymore. It must be down here, right? Oh yeah, it's right
Let
here.
me check.
Oh yeah, I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it. So I entered on what, this candle actually, I think. Oh yeah, I entered on this turtle tube, I think, and then if we look, why do I not have ES? Um. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I remember why. I cannot tell you everything, but basically we had SMT here. We had high time from SMT too, and then we had SMT like here, and then I just entered on the turtle tube of these two candles. I mean, obviously not at the bottom, but like this, I think, like that. What are they saying? Holy up! Oh, you didn't even mean Tuesday. Oh well, I guess this was my trade Tuesday. I think, right here, yeah, with a little bit bigger stop, something like this. Thursday.
What is data?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh,
Oh, we
you
don't
can
really
use
use that
them, but
much, but
not
you
really.
can definitely use them, yeah.
If you struggle with
Um,
bias and stuff.
here, oh yeah, I remember it's 100%. I entered right here on the value gap, and oh, I don't know why I took profit. I guess it was like here. Must have been around here, something like that. We do reading session every Sunday, reading data, bro. Fancy we do that? We take the raw numbers, we take every single 1 minute candle and read the open, high, low, close out loud every Sunday. You were thinking of Friday? Oh, bro. Okay, so
A
Friday
high
was right
probability
here.
fair gap is a BPR, buddy.
Right here on Friday, I literally entered on this value gap. Of course, there's more to it, but this was my entry. And then this. No, my Enigma, you got my mentorship. Just a
Just a
BPR?
BPR.
What BPR?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
High probability fair gap.
Oh, well.
Uh,
I
yeah,
mean,
to
a high
everything is
probability value gap.
moderate, right?
Yeah, but of course, like that's like value gaps with fucking let's say like liquidity around them and stuff. Are also more high probability. Where am I? Oh, I'm doing
You're doing
Signal
signal,
Monday.
man.
No, I just already
Bro, we
this Friday,
literally give you
bro,
every day.
called out 600 points, bro. I'm just saying.
Bro, you get every
I did.
day a fucking outlook.
I did, buddy. I called out the top and the outlook, bro. Oh, you told me, yeah, it was plenty signals.
Oh. Sure, buddy.
time should was LeBron. Bro, this is not going well enough. Like, I didn't record the first half now, and now I cannot like record and see my own screen. It's kind of fucked up.
I guess.
Like, no one is getting anything out of this fucking. I might as well just screen to train you.
To understand the lower time frame better, you need to understand the higher time frame better.
To understand the lower time frame better, I mean, yeah, you could look at
Yeah.
look at all the PD race. Don't
Look at the higher time frame.
Yeah, okay, but like on the low
If you
time
know the
frame, just
higher
like
time
mark
frame,
out
the
your
lower
PD
time frame
race.
is easy.
Look at premium and discount. Look at SMTs. I guess that's some advice. At this point, pay me, bro. I promoted so much. Yo,
Yo.
hello. Plenty, why are you paying yourself, bro? Are you talking to yourself? Give me a funded. Bro, what?
Yeah,
Oh,
send your
you wanna have a funded roll?
certificate.
Okay, send a certificate in the hashtag certificate channel, bro. Yeah, certificate. Yeah,
Certificate.
Alex, no. Plenty. Go send it, bro. Yeah, this is not proof. You could be lying.
Yeah, bro. Only because you took my picture, Plenty, doesn't mean you're funded now. Jobs. Jobs, Plenty. You goad.
Oh. Do you only use standard deviation on the
Nice
high time?
Photoshop,
It doesn't
buddy.
have to be like. It doesn't have to be like that high time. You can be using on the like 3 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute is a little bit crazy maybe,
Nice
but
Photoshop.
definitely 3 and 5 minute and 15 minute, and so it doesn't have to be that high time frame. I trade shots naked, bro. What?
Wait, I think I crashed my Discord.
I use indicator. It's so free. Yeah. I also use indicators every day, bro.
Really?
1 second, I'm about to throw up. Yeah, the NXC not use the buy and sell indicator from Lux Algo.
Viva.
Why did
No,
I
the
know this was
Viva.
buy, sell indicator? Oh, it's logged.
Do you not know the VWAP?
No, it's logged. I cannot be using it. I guess this one's fine. Oh,
Wait, is this a money glitch?
bottom tape,
Bro, my Discord is
top tape.
bugging. You know more?
Bro, what?
Code.
Bro, what? Bro, what? This is the indicator I use
I'm
every day.
restarting my Discord.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you send him the hashtag certificate channel? That would be great, bro. Because that's where you sent them. We don't look at them any other place. Someone rape him. No, thank you. Wow, what a great indicator. Yeah, it's the enigma. If I have multiple standard deviation aligning with a fair gap CE, would that be great? Well, yeah. Okay, wait, I need to remove this, bro. This is so annoying. How do I remove it? Yeah. I mean, if you have multiple aligning at the same place, that only makes it higher probability. It just makes it even better, bro. So yeah, definitely. But like for failure gaps, if you have like something like, where do we have something like it? I don't know at this point. Holy shit, this week has actually been so ass. Um, where is there even an example? Oh, this was like last week. That's on 15 minutes maybe. Um, I guess this is kind of an example. No, actually no. Bro, where's the one example? It's not that deep. Just, I mean, yeah, basically, do you see this? This BPR? It's BPR, right? What makes this higher probability is actually all the times we failed to hit the CE, right? Both these highs, they failed to go up to the CE and they retraced again, right? So then this turtle soup up to the high, up to like the CE, what's happening? Would be extremely high probability, right? Like this. So this part would be very, very, very high probability, and then you could short to wherever actually, but maybe these equal those, right? Like this. Of course, don't use this like by itself, but this like what a high probability failure gap would be. This is extremely high probability when you have both these highs fail to mitigate the 50%, and you have the BPR, of course. Give me roll now. Oh, did you post it? Actually, there's no certificate, bro. I can just see the screen, bro. Can you click certificate, please? Repeat that part. Well, basically, when you have the this would be just an example of like an extremely high probability failure, right? Because you have the two highs that failed to mitigate the 50%. Wait, can I make this like mob right? Yeah, let's make it white. So you can see this 50%, they both failed and they just dumped, right? So that means we most likely come back here and then sweep them and then we dump. And of course, it's a BPR, which you want for high probability setups. Because you don't want to just be taking this whole range, you'd be fucked, right? This works way better. So look for more, yeah. That and look at the highs in the failure gap. Look at like your liquidity around the failure gap, so you can like play around it basically. You know what I mean? Look now. Finally, bro. Finally, you logged in. Funded roll. Wow. What a great student. Goats. Yeah. So, I mean, do you have any more questions? I mean, yeah, the recording is kind of short, but the call itself is not that short. It's like 40 minutes something. Um, I don't know. We could be ending. I don't know. Unless you have anything you want to know. How do you implement time? Well, first of all, you want to be looking at obviously key opens, which is part of time. And yeah, macros. I don't use Silverwood a lot, but macros, yes, macros are important. I mean, they're most important to have like a macros are mostly for me at least. Well, I don't use them that much, but if I would use them, it would be for like basically psychological help to give you like a time frame to trade in, because basically like it just gives you like a set time, and then it makes you go off when you if you don't get, like, let's say you did 950 to 1010. Like if you did not find a trade here, you would just be done, and then you would not be over trading. So it's kind of like a hack. So not over trade, if you know what I mean. But I don't use them that much, but they're great, especially for beginners. Plenty, why are you glazing them so much, bro? This is not aura. But yeah, other you can, like, of course in sessions you can implement time, of course. Um, yeah, sessions are important. I don't know. I think that's basically it. Yeah. Why are you paying yourself plenty, bro? Are you saying you're ass trader? That's kind of weird. Um, do you short below 2-day open, or is it daily open you worry about? I don't worry that much about it. I worry more about like how we are looking on like price, and how we're looking on premium discount, like on the high time frame, like here, like in ranges mostly. I don't really look at daily open and stuff like that much, because I feel like these ranges are more important. As it's like like the narrative on the high time frame, right? So you'll often be like, let's say the true daily like the fucking, this is not the true daily open, but let's say, where is it? Oh, 1 month. So the true daily open, like here, right? Something like this, like here. That would mean that you shouldn't be longing above it, which is like you would not catch anything, right? So I wouldn't worry too much about it, unless you want to set like very strict limits for yourself. Of course, it is higher probability if it's below, but unless you want to set like extremely strict criteria for yourself, then you shouldn't be worrying that much about it. You should more worry about like high time frame ranges, and like if we look at these, good example here, like here, every single time we made a range on the high time frame, this like past whatever, we always mitigated up into the premium, and then dump, right? Not this one, but this was our breakaway range basically, where we had the original dump from, and then all the other ranges have been mitigated, and so now this has been too. Should I watch TJR Bootcamp? I mean, you could. Mostly for psychology, probably. It's not as, but it's not great, and it's so many hours. You don't need to watch all that at this point. You might as well watch IDC. Calendar trading in 5 minutes. No, but you can definitely start trading in 5 minutes. Only thing you use in anticipated reversal is SMT. No, obviously you use time of day, right? You use your time, and you use obviously like high time frame, like order flow. Well, not order flow, but our ICT order flow, right? You would use PD arrays. You would use structure. So like, when are we, like here? Like, let's say a reversal would be at like the last point. Like if there's only 1 point left where the reversal could be happening. Let's say we somehow, let me switch. Let's say we somehow pumped all the way up here, right? And so the last area where we should reverse from is this inverse, or like this BPR right here, right? So that BPR would be our last place we could anticipate the reversal. If we went all the way up there, that would be our reversal. Yeah, that's definitely real. And then of course you would want to see this BPR being hit, like like this, right? And then like this, and then we have SMT here, and then bang. That's when what you want to be looking at. And then of course, how do you like another way to anticipate reversals is like our weekly profiles, obviously. So like let's say Monday we just go like this, and then Tuesday we dump, and so we would be expecting the reversal right here Tuesday, and then we would pump, like that. So you want to be looking at time and sessions and in macros and in days, even in weeks on the monthly time frame. And so after that, you want to be looking at P-Day race, you want to be looking at SMTs, and then you can. Bro, this is not me, bro. Holy shit, son. Price reverse more often certain times. Yeah, of course. You'll see because we move way more in, like, let's say New York and let's say in Asia, right? You'll not have that high probability reversals because there's not much volume, so the chance of it like completely reversing and not coming back down there is very low. And I don't. I hear crime is legal. Oh, what do you think of RL traits? I don't know. I have no idea. Well, I only know. I don't know. One of the guys DM'd me, asked about something like I don't know how long ago, 6 months maybe. So I don't know what he does anymore now. Do you implement the Judas swing or no? Well, I don't specifically like basically. I don't look for. Oh, I don't look for like the Judas swing as in a strategy, but I definitely look for power of 3 and open and close. Do you live here? Bro, what is this? Why would I live here? Yeah, I know, but the other guy DM'd me and asked about something. I don't know. Let me check. Maybe it's too far back. But yeah, bro, what is this fucking place you sent? Mm. Oh, oh wait, what? Am I schizo? Maybe he didn't DM me. Wait, yeah, he did. He must have. I think it's too far back, so I cannot see it. Hi guys. Little shed in the forest. Yeah, I guess that's kind of chill. We're not playing Valorant, bro. It's kind of ass. That's where he touched me for the first time. Okay. Okay, so does anyone have any more questions? Or like, are we ending now? Just ended. Yeah, thanks. I'll end your life and then I'll end the life. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'm not looking at the law, bro. How many trades a day max? Maximum. I'd say like 2, but usually just 1, unless I'm feeling like really, unless I'm very sure of my bias or like my setup, then I'll enter again or something. But usually just 1. Sometimes 7, sometimes 10. Okay, buddy. Okay, so I guess I'll end it now and then I'll upload it to YouTube. I only have like the second half. I kind of forgot recording. Yeah, I'm a shift manager, sure. This is what I work at. I kind of forgot to record, so you'll only get like the second half. So the whole weekly recap is not in the video, but I guess that doesn't really matter, right? This is not, yeah, but you're my student. Alright, goodbye, lad.